Good evening, everyone. We're live at 7:47, and we are running a Josh's Biker Scout battle. Sorry there, I had kind of a brain fart, I guess you'd call that. 10 spots here. Nice looking biker. I'm going to paste our list in. 10 spots. 10 spots. Going to roll the dice. Got to get a 5 or better for some action here. We got a 5. So we're good to go. Good luck, battlers. Here we go. Troy in the top spot for round 1 with a number 1. Adam takes round 2. Tyler 3. Troy in the top spot for our next list round 4 with number 6. Bringing us to the final round. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. And the winner is Troy in at number 6. Congrats, buddy. Here's a verification. MZINUP is the verification code. Troy in at number 6 is our victor. I am done at 7:48. There it is. One last time, here's the results. Troy in at number 6. Congratulations, sir. See you next time, guys. Thanks.